Range Rover behind me. He's itching to overtake. Just let him go if he wants to go. I'm in no rush. This car in front is going ridiculously slow. He's only doing 30 miles an hour. There he goes. There goes the Range Rover. Impatient. Look, on the other side of the road, nearly hit a van. See? Like an idiot. Then he hit that van. Just because he couldn't wait. 5 minutes he could overtake on the straight stretch there. Plonker. Go on, go past. So this is why I want a camera on in the car all the time. So many times I've come up this road and the near misses. There's always car accidents. Always. Cars on the roofs, cars in the ditch, trucks in the ditch. Motorbike accidents, people just going too fast. That's what it is. Not driving to the road conditions. These people think they're blinking Sterling Moss racing up and down here. Well, the car seems to be running okay now. Could have been some bad fuel calls in it. But it did do it the other day. Lack of power when accelerated. Look, someone's just fallen off his bike. There it is there. I know where it is, so I'll go and get it. There you go. That poor bloke on that bike. He says, I'm having a bad day. He got stuck in a green lane and his bike ended up nearly on top of him. His bike covered in mud. He's broken his clutch lever. And his phone flies off the bike. And a miracle, the screen wasn't cracked. Well, it's all kicking off in the Northern Pennines.